First of all, I just want to say thank you to Pop On Veneers. You guys have totally saved my life in many different ways. I don't feel insecure about going out anymore. As you can see, look at my teeth. Not the best. I'm missing a few molars here and there. Pop On Veneers will change your look for the rest of your life. I tell you right now, go out and get yourself some. Because, like I said, look at this. Pretty bad teeth, right? Anyhow, here it is. There's the bottom part. And you just, they send you the impressions. You do the 3 impressions. Just like in the instructions say. Send them back in the mail. You have your veneers probably in about 2 weeks. Anyhow, awesome deal. So, definitely the best alternative. Boom. That's the bottom. They lock right in. See? Brand new teeth. And it didn't even cost me 20 grand. Go get yourself a pair. I'm telling you. You will be totally, totally happy. Have a good one. Peace.